Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2810 or 2800 series. I want to show you ways to print documents from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and laptop are connected together via a wireless network. The way to do this is you need to press the cancel and Wi-Fi button together to put the printer in a wireless mode. The power light will flash and this Wi-Fi light will continue to flash intermittently. The next thing to do is you need to install HP Smart App. Go to Microsoft Store, install HP Smart App, then open the app, add a printer, then put the password and connect the printer to a wireless network. And after you've done that, it will show you the printer. To print document is what I want to show you. There are two methods to print documents. We're going to use HP Smart App software. So you select print documents, select OK, then go to the left side and select documents. Type the document name you want to print out. Select the document, then select print. So this is two-page document. This document, I want us to print it double-sided. So select A4 quality normal, output quality normal, select number of copies, print on both sides, long edge, more settings, orientation, portrait, output normal, color mode. Scroll down to select high quality. So the product is in color. Then select OK. Then select print. So we're going to print this document double-sided manually. It will show you this prompt. We need to print out the first page, reload it back to the tray to be able to continue. So take the paper with the area printed out, put it on the back, reload it on the tray. The next thing to do is select continue. This is the document we printed out double-sided manually. Another method to print documents, go to File Explorer on your laptop, File Explorer, then select Documents. Type the document name, select on the document. This is the document you want to print out, and select Ctrl P, or you select print icon. So select Ctrl P, then scroll down to select correct printer, show more, then look for HP Deskjet from the list. Select number of copies, more settings, select the paper, quality 600 dpi, the maximum is 1200, 600 dpi selected. You can select print on both sides. We have printed out on both sides earlier. Now I want us to print on one side, and also select default settings, then select print. First one is printed. These are documents we printed out in color, single page. So this is how to print documents from computer with this printer. Most important thing is making sure the printer and laptop are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. Thank you very much indeed.